To ensure that your air conditioning and heating systems operate at their peak efficiency, your unit should be professionally inspected and adjusted before the beginning of every cooling and heating season. Since 1995, Air of Houston Services has specialized in the maintenance, installation, and repair of residential and commercial air conditioning and heating systems within the Houston area and surrounding communities. At Air of Houston Services, we pride ourselves in taking the stress out of equipment failure and maintenance by providing fast, professional, and convenient solutions to any situation. Our staff has over 100 years of combined professional and technical experience. In addition, we're members of the Better Business Bureau and the Air Conditioning Contractors of America. Call us today at 281-890-0990 or visit us online at airofhoustonservices.com for more information on our fast, no-hassle financing program or to schedule an appointment.